Today, we're diving into Gemini, a cryptocurrency exchange that's been making waves in the crypto community. But is it really worth your time and money? Let's break it down and see if it lives up to the hype. Gemini is designed to be a user-friendly platform for buying, selling, and storing cryptocurrencies. One thing that stands out is its regulatory compliance. It's one of the few exchanges that's fully licensed in the US. This adds a layer of trust for those cautious about security. The interface is sleek and quite intuitive, making it accessible for beginners while still offering features that seasoned traders might appreciate, like advanced charting tools. However, while the platform covers all the basics, it feels somewhat limited when it comes to the number of cryptocurrencies available for trading compared to other exchanges. There's also a notable absence of educational resources for new users, which could leave them feeling a bit lost. The mobile app is decent but doesn't quite match the experience of the desktop version, which might frustrate users who prefer trading on the go. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Gemini's strong regulatory standing and user-friendly design make it a solid choice for beginners. The security features are robust, which is crucial in the crypto space. However, the limited selection of cryptocurrencies might be a deal breaker for more experienced traders looking to diversify their portfolios. Pricing can also be a bit steep. Fees for trading can add up quickly, especially for smaller transactions, which may deter casual traders. Plus, the lack of comprehensive educational materials means that anyone new to crypto might struggle to make informed decisions. Overall, Gemini seems to cater well to beginners but may leave advanced users wanting more. In conclusion, Gemini is worth considering if you're new to cryptocurrency and value security and ease of use. However, if you are an experienced trader looking for a wider variety of coins and lower fees, you might want to explore other exchanges. Overall, it's a trustworthy platform, but not without its limitations.